Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to destination for honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Today, we're looking at a product that promises to elevate your lip game with ease, the Jane Iredale Lip Pencil in Rose. Whether you're a fan of bold lip looks or subtle shades, this pencil claims to do more than just line your lips. It's designed to provide a smooth, soft application that not only enhances color, but also serves as a hydrating base for lipstick or gloss. Let's see if it delivers on these promises. Now let's talk specifics. The Jane Iredale Lip Pencil is a mineral pigment-based formula designed for long-lasting wear, giving you a blendable texture that's perfect for creating a flawless lip look. It's available in several shades, with rose being a lovely soft pink that works with a variety of skin tones. The pencil is enriched with botanicals that not only offer pigment, but also help soothe and moisturize the lips, which is a great bonus for anyone who hates the drying effect that some lip liners can leave behind. I've been testing this pencil for a few days now, and I'll be honest, getting it to glide on smoothly took a little patience at first. While the texture is soft, it does need a light hand to avoid over-applying, especially if you're aiming for a more natural look. Once on, though, it feels comfortable, with no tightness or dryness, which is a huge plus for me since I often experience that with other liners. It also stays put for a decent amount of time, even through light sipping and talking, which makes it a solid choice for day to night wear. However, there's one caveat. If you're expecting a pencil that gives you an ultra-precise, sharp line, you might be disappointed. The pencil's softness lends itself to blending and filling in lips, but you might need a separate sharpener if you want more defined edges. It's not a deal breaker, but something to consider depending on your style. The pencil's formula also impressed me with its moisturizing benefits. Most lip pencils don't give you that added hydration, but the botanicals in this pencil leave my lips feeling soft even after removal, which is fantastic. It definitely delivers on the soothing claim, unlike some pencils that leave lips dry and cracked by midday. On the flip side, while I love the shade and texture, I'm not convinced this pencil is the most budget-friendly option. It's definitely on the pricier side compared to other lip liners, especially those from drugstore brands. However, the quality and moisturizing benefits may justify the cost for those who prioritize skincare in their beauty products. Plus, you're getting more than just color. You're getting a treatment for your lips. In terms of build quality, the pencil's sleek design and smooth twist-up mechanism feel high-end. It doesn't break easily, and you're not left with a mess in your makeup bag. The product lasts a while, so in terms of longevity, I'd say it's definitely a worthwhile investment for anyone looking for a blendable, soothing lip pencil. If you're someone who prefers a more affordable option, but still wants similar benefits, there are alternatives out there, though they might lack the mineral-based formula and botanical benefits that Jane Iredale offers. For a budget-friendly pick, something like NYX's lip liner might give you comparable results, though it won't quite match the skin-soothing properties of this pencil. Now, is it worth the price? If you're after a lip liner that not only stays put, but also treats your lips with nourishing ingredients, then yes, I'd say this one is worth it. It's particularly well suited for those with sensitive lips or anyone who struggles with dry formulas. For those who prioritize long wear and hydration, it's definitely a must-try. And before we wrap up, don't forget to show your support by liking, subscribing, and clicking the bell icon so you don't miss out on more beauty insights from Beautyistic. If you've tried this lip pencil or have any other lip products you swear by, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.